Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in an '07 to 2013 5.3 Vortech. This is a 2012 5.3. I run full synthetic in mine, and I like to use Wix oil filter. I'm not a big fan on Fram. I've seen them cut open before, and I just don't really like them. So I go with Wix. So yeah, here we go. Alright guys, so underneath the car on the right hand side, passenger side, you're going to have this bolt on the oil pan. See if I can get a better picture. It's going to be a 15mm socket. Grab your ratchet. Unscrew it. Make sure you let it cool down because it's going to will be hot, so you don't want to burn yourself. And then on the left hand side, right here, is your oil filter, right here. You just unspin it. And it's going to leak some oil, so put a pan under that also. Okay, so I got the oil filter loose. As you can see how much it's draining. So, do make sure you put a pan underneath of it.
So what are you doing?
Guys, so I got my new oil filter here. Just remember, always, there's a rubber gasket here. Always put oil on it, okay? If you don't, you can roll the gasket, and it makes it really hard to get back off. So, just always make sure you do that. So, this is what you're going to see. It just spins. Right on. And that's it. You just tighten it up. Okay guys, once you get your oil filter and your drain plug back in, just come up to the front of the motor, passenger side, pull this cap off here. Find you a funnel. Make sure it's clean. You don't want to get any contaminants or debris into the oil. And then you can go ahead and fill her up with oil. Okay, so right here is your dipstick. I pulled mine out already. That's what it's going to look like. Make sure you pull it off, pull it out, clean it off, pull it again once you get a gallon or so in it, and you check your oil level here. If I can get it good. There we go. It's going to show you your oil level. You're going to want it at the top dot, right there. And that'll let you know if it's full. Once you get it there, go in, start the car, turn it off, and then check it again. Alright, so that's pretty much how you do it. I put everything back together. Little word of thumb. me, I'm kind of weird with my maintenance, so I always change the air filter. I live in a bit dusty area, so if you want, you just pop these Torx out there, there, pull this cover off, and your air filter's in there. Go ahead and replace it if it's dirty. And check your coolant also, which mine's a little bit low. Obviously, it should be up to here. And I always go down and fill up the windshield washer fluid. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching.